Essentially, two things happened during this Eurogroup meeting. First of all, Greece was told that it's been doing okay and it's fulfilled all the obligations that are undertaken for this review of its bailout. And as a result, it's going to get 8.5 billion euros, which is then going to use to repay some of these obligations to its creditors, the IMF, the European Central Bank. And then the other thing that was discussed was whether Greece's debt is sustainable. This is the main question of this Greek saga. Can Greece really manage to do away with austerity and start growing when it's got this humongous debt? And the country has been promised repeatedly that its debt would in some way be cut, or that they would receive some sort of debt relief, and this hasn't happened. So what happened tonight is that Greece got some new promises, but this time they were specific promises. So the Eurogroup ministers have said that they're willing, for example, to extend Greek debt maturities by up to 15 years. They're willing to see Greece stick to a lower primary surplus, and so on and so on. But they haven't committed to adopting these measures now. They're saying that they're going to adopt them when this bailout program ends. That's in 2018. And as a result, the IMF has said that, yes, it will join in principle, but not yet. So it seems like everybody here got something. The Europeans got time, the IMF got some promises. The Greek Prime Minister, Alexis Tsipras, got some lines that he can possibly give to his supporters here. But it's still in question whether Greece's debt is sustainable and when its creditors will decide that it has to become so.